Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on that device. So let's just first open the settings application, then after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here click to the volume section, and now just to change ringtone volume we should slide this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger by this way. Also we can do it with the help of volume buttons here on the right side of our device, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off. And now just by press up or down volume button we can also change our device ringtone, and we can do that with the third word, just slide to the up or to the down that volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.